Welcome to Alkaline Mom. Today we're making this delicious seaweed soup. Come on, let's get started. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we're gonna need. Some mushrooms, medium onion, a few of the sweet peppers, some green onions, and of course the seaweed. And we're gonna use some onion powder, some cayenne pepper, and some basil leaves. In addition to that, we're going to also use some natural sea salt. So, let's get started. And of course, we need some spring water. Okay, let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay, now that we've cut up all of our veggies, it's time to saute them. Now that we have our stove nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and put in our grapeseed oil. And we're going to put in our veggies. I'm going to add our sweet red peppers. Yep. And next, our green onions. Mix it all up. And let those cook for a while. Now we're going to add our mushrooms. Don't forget to add more grapeseed oil if you need it. As you can see, our veggies are cooking down very nicely. We'll cook them for a few minutes more. Now that our veggies have cooked down a little more, it's time to add our seasonings. In here we have 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of basil leaf, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're going to add that. Now let's add our spring water. Oh, our soup is looking so good already. I'm going to give it a couple of taste tests and see whether it's seasoned to our liking. And we're going to now add in some onion powder, about a tablespoon or so of onion powder. I'm going to mix it all together. Okay, so let's keep stirring and let this soup come up to a boil. a boil, excuse me. And then we can add our seaweed. Now that our soup has come to a boil, it's time to add the main star of our show here, our seaweed. You can use whatever seaweed you have on hand, but this is the seaweed we're going to use today. And we're just going to cut them up or tear them in little pieces and put them in. I'm going to go ahead and let this cook for a few more minutes and see how we like it. Okay, our soup has now been cooking for about 5 minutes and it's ready. We've added a little bit more water, so if you want to do that, you can. We've also added a few more seasonings like sea salt, so you can do that to make sure it's to your liking. Or you could choose not to at all, but ours is ready and we're going to just get some in a nice bowl here. And we also have it with some rye crackers, and we're just going to have a really good time with this soup. Oh, it's so yummy. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh wow, just beautiful. We're going to fill our bowl up to the top as much as we can. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so good. It smells wonderful too. So, if you guys get a chance, go ahead and try this soup, seaweed soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.